to recover deleted threads post or threads history. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Threads does not currently offer a way to recover deleted post or restore deleted threads history. So, what you can do is open Threads on your device, go to your profile at the bottom right, then click on the two lines at the top right. Then go to account, and here click on download your information. After you click on download your information, it will lead you to this page. Click on create export, select Instagram, export to device. After you click on export to device, select date range and press on start export. It will send you a link. Before that, add your password. After you've done that, it will send you a link on your mail. Open the file and there will be threads file. Make sure to check the file of threads to see if you can see your deleted threads post or threads history. This is the only way, and this is how to recover deleted threads post or threads history. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.